Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to explain what an API is and what is this word that you've heard so much buzz about. So in this video, basically, what is an API? So you've probably heard this word around, especially as technologies get more interconnected. You've probably heard the word API or API connection or integration, also like words like that. Basically, all an API is a tool that's been built onto an existing software solution that allows it to talk to other software solutions. It's basically an interface in which we can make things happen within an app that it wouldn't normally be able to do. A really good example of that today, for this example, what I'm going to show you is a tool called Zapier, as well as ServiceTitan as our main software integration of choice. How those two kind of talk together. So ServiceTitan has a publicly available API, and what they've done is they've built an integration into a tool called Zapier. Zapier is really cool because to work with an API, you need to know how to code. But what Zapier's done is basically they created a program that allows people who don't know how to code to leverage APIs to build integrations between two systems. So, as an example, basically what ServiceTitan has done is Zapier has over 5,000 apps that are tied to it, and what ServiceTitan has done is they've built their own app into this platform. And basically what it allows you to do is all sorts of stuff. It basically allows you to, there's two types of things that you can do. You can trigger things. You can basically make an automation trigger off of something that happens within an app. So for instance, like let's say you've created a new project in ServiceTitan, you can have that trigger some kind of action downstream in ServiceTitan or within another app. In terms of actions, you can actually, that's the other bit here. So you can actually create like a contact, you can create a booking. It basically allows you to do some form of an action. So you have triggers and actions, and Zapier kind of allows you to interface with these APIs in a no-code way.